We are going to Inks Lake for 3 nights, so we need to pack. So come pack with me.
We love going on lots of adventures. We might have to do some things different than others, but it doesn't stop us from exploring this beautiful world God has sent us. Like and subscribe and follow our journey.
One thing that makes packing super easy is now that we have an RV, I can pack extra stuff and just leave it in there in our buckets, and then I bring it in when it's time to go, and I just count everything and make sure that we have enough. So we are going to start off with Ben's medical supplies. So we have a ton of diapers, a ton of chucks. I always bring an extra pack of diapers, so diapers are good. We do need wipes though. We'll have to get wipes. This box I leave for like my iPad and Bible and stuff like that, so I'll put that in a minute. We need at least 4 trach ties in case something goes crazy and I have more than enough. More than enough HMEs, his cleaning stuff we have. And then I'll split 2x2s, we have plenty. Not sure we have enough Metholex AG. 1, 2. I'll probably grab some because we only have 2. And we'll need at least 3. He's been super drooly right now, so we'll probably need more than that. I've gone through a lot of his medical supplies already, and it hasn't been taken any time at all. This is so easy. It makes traveling so nice. We have an extra section hose. I will need the container and stuff, but I might just replace it when we leave, and then it should be good to last us the 3 days while we're gone. I have 1, 2, 3 toothbrushes, which I don't really brush his teeth more than every night, so that's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 suction catheters that are for when he's not on the vent, and I have 3 for when he is. That's plenty. These are inline HMEs, and I have 3, which I keep an extra stash of those in my car, so that should be good. This is Ben's medicine bucket, and this stays in the house, and I just use it inside or outside. And just need to make sure this is not going to be enough to get us through, so we'll fill that up. That's empty. We'll get more of that. That's good. That's good. So we needed more Benzel. I love the Benzel bottle because I can just take this lid off and put it on this bottle and it fits perfectly. I do always check the label and make sure it's right, and it is. And we're just going to take the lid off and put this lid on. I'm also going to, there is still some left in this, but not enough to get us through the 4 days, so I'll just leave it here and use it when we get back. One thing about this is citrazine, the lid does not fit on this, so I get an extra bottle and I just labeled it. I always keep the bottle, so if there's ever an issue, I have the prescription number, and so if there's ever a recall, I can find it. So I'm going to go on and mix these two because there's really not that much left. And most of the time I would wait till it's completely empty, but with this leaving, I don't. And it's citrazine, it's not a class 1 medication, so I don't really mind doing this. medication, I'm just going and add these. Oh, I forgot. I do need more diazepam. That was clozapam. And enough. Okay. Yep. I'm going to go grab diazepam. I'll be back. So, used to, I would make sure, because I can give him the Diastat every 12 hours and we're going to be gone 4 days, I would make sure that I had 8. But now I don't give it to him all that often. We changed his protocol on when he gets it, and so now we wait until he seizes 15 minutes. And even if he's seizing 15 minutes, but all of his vital signs are good, most of the time I won't give it. So having 5 is plenty for us to take with us. Put that in there. I did grab this. This is what we use to administer the midazolam. It's another rescue medication, and we use it intranasally. And so I didn't see one of these in here. I have one in our emergency bag that will be in our backpack, but you can never be too prepared. So I put that in there. I grabbed the extra Mepilex AG, so we'll put that with the trach care stuff. I will pack more syringes because it's not be enough. I need extra. But for now, I'll just put that in there because this I won't pack until. This is Ben's food bag. So we have 1, 2. I'm going to have to grab another one because we'll need at least 3. Ben's feeds are, because I'm doing a blended diet a lot right now, pretty much the feed part in here is going to be extra, and really what I need in here is really just the food pump in the bag, but I won't be able to pack the food pump till tomorrow. Actually, I might put an extra one in here. 1, 2, 3. So we need 1 more fail bag and 1 more food bag. I have the extra white cups. There's 2 of those in here. This is extra trach care stuff. I'll put it in there. And then we need extra pads. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 in here. So that should be good. So we're going to grab a fill bag and a food bag. And I think that should be good for in here. So let's go get it. One thing that's pretty awesome about our house is this is a medical supplies closet, and so everything is labeled what it is, and so we just need a fill bag. So we grabbed a feeding bag. In this box, I put extra, we have weights. Extra sheets and cloth diapers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should be plenty. Let's hope that's plenty. Grab this, and then I just need to grab his food pump. And I actually charged it in my bathroom today, so it would be charged and ready to go. So we got the food pump. So we grabbed our extra food pump. One time, last trip, I forgot our food pump, so I just syringe fed him the whole time. With the pump, I can make sure that we go at a good rate that he'll tolerate. So I'm gonna put that in there so I don't forget it this time, but we have to, so he'll be good for today. Let's look at Ben's clothes. Let's see what's in all You never really know what's going to be in the box because this is leftover clothes from last time most of the time, because I can just leave it in there and it's ready to go. And because we haven't been back all that long, less than a week since our last trip. So I love the PJs. Ben's feet won't go flat, so I can't put regular shoes on his feet. He has AFOs, but he doesn't tolerate them very well. And so I can put him in the PJs and his feet stay warm and they're cute. So he has a black pair and a gray pair. I bought a fuzzy pair, but they didn't come in time. One thing I love about the Fijis is they have the slit right here, so you can turn them into regular sweatpants. But for Ben, because he's hooked up to pole socks, I can just run the tube through here and I don't worry about messing up a pole socks probe. I found the perfect shot to take. I made this for our last trip last week, and it says Campaholic, and then it says on the road to recovery. Just kidding, I'm on my way to the next campsite. So, and I made it look like a van, and the stuff we will wait last minute to pack would be like his vent. I'll probably go in and get his backup vent and put it with those stuff and get it out to the trailer. So, and then tomorrow we'll pack all of our food. I think that's it. So, we'll go put this in the RV. We won't put it on the shelf because when we're driving it can't be. So we'll just pile it up in his bed. Y'all want to help? It's been raining, so it's like all wet and stuff back here. So let's see. Sorry if I stared everyone down. Thanks for packing with us. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow Ojoni. See what we do at Inks Lake and the bucket list item that we're going to check off for Ben.